Robinhood finally added the feature to roll your options. Rolling your options is a way for you to close out your current trade and pick up a new position with a different strike price or expiration date. Before, if you wanted to roll an option, you would have to manually close out your current trade and purchase a new one. Robinhood has a dedicated article for options rolling, but I also have the link down in the description along with a timestamp where I show you how to do it. Now, Robinhood explains the kind of ways to roll your options on the website. You have rolling out, which would be keeping your current strike price, just choosing a further out expiration date. Rolling up will be keeping your current expiration date, just selecting a higher strike price, while rolling down will be the same except a lower strike price. Now, one that they don't have listed would be rolling back, which is keeping your current strike price, just choosing an earlier expiration date. And reasons for rolling your options that they have listed is if you don't want to carry your current position and you want to adjust it slightly, or if you just want to extend the position. And the process for doing this would be the same on mobile and desktop. You would just go to your current options trade and select roll position. So for this example, I have a cheap out of the money options call for Intel at a 49 strike price with the expiration date of June 3rd. And under the actions for this contract, I have a new option, which is roll this position. When you select it, it prompts you to pick your new position. So at the top, you can see my current position, and it's asking me to select the new position that I want to hold. So for this, I'm just going to roll out the option for next week at the same strike price. So here you can see I'll be closing out my current position and opening up a new position with the same strike price, just pushing out a week. And here you'll see a net debit or a net credit depending on how much your contract is worth. You'll either be paying or receiving premium. Now this example is just me rolling a call option, but it's the same process for a put. Now, some things to note when rolling your option is you are making multiple transactions as you're closing one position just to open another. So if the position you're closing out was profitable, you'd be generating a taxable event. And rolling your option is not a wash sale event. Rolling your options is selecting a completely different options contract, so these would be considered non-identical. If this video helped you out at all, don't forget to like or subscribe so I can continue making content just like this.